The road to success you choose will shape who you are. Choose, chose, chosen.
Hey Tom, long time no see. How have you been?
I'm doing fine, Anna. And you?
I'm good, thanks. So, any news around here?
Have you heard about John?
No, I haven't. What happened to him?
He chose to quit his steady job.
Really? Why did he choose that?
He thought choosing online trading would make him rich.
And did it work for him?
Not at all. The shortcut he chose only brought him debt.
Debt? That must have been hard.
Yes, being chosen by failure nearly broke him.
So, what did he decide to do next?
He was down for a few months.
Oh dear, and how is he now?
Luckily, he realized his mistake and chose to start again.
What kind of work did he choose to start again with?
This time, he chose to start again with patience and steady effort.
That sounds better.
Yes, now he is back to normal, shaped by the lessons of what he once chose. Practice. Let's review the form of choose in this video. Choose, base form. Why did he choose that? What kind of work did he choose to start again with? Chose, past simple form. He chose to quit his steady job. The shortcut he chose only brought him debt. He realized his mistake and chose to start again. He chose to start again with patience and steady effort, shaped by the lessons of what he once chose. Choosing, Gerund. He thought choosing online trading would make him rich. Being chosen, passive Gerund. Being chosen by failure nearly broke him. Well done. That's enough for choose. Here's your sentence to practice. Choose wisely today, because who you are today is the choice you made yesterday. People wear masks, but the truth beneath is harder to know. Wear, wore, worn. Hi, Anna. What's going on?
You saw John yesterday, didn't you?
Yes, I did. He wore silence all day long.
That's right. He didn't say a single word. He only showed a blank face.
Yeah, today he is still wearing that same tired look.
I remember when he used to wear nothing but pride.
Yes, too much pride, as if he were a genius.
And how about now?
Now, his shoes are completely worn out.
His path is also well worn and marked by mistake after mistake.
Yes, that is true. He has gone through too much.
Surprisingly, he still tries to wear a smile on his face.
It may be only a faint smile, but at least it is still there.
That shows hope has not completely disappeared.
Maybe holding on to that little hope is already enough.
Yes, maybe that is all he truly needs.
In the end, we all wear our choices.
And those choices gradually wear us down.
In the end, we become simply worn.
That's life.
Practice. Let's review the forms of wear in this video. Wear, base form. In the end, we all wear our choices. Those choices gradually wear us down. Wore, past simple form. He wore silence all day long. Be wearing, continuous form. Today he is still wearing that same tired look. To wear, to infinitive. I remember when he used to wear nothing but pride. He still tries to wear a smile on his face. Worn, past participial adjective. Now his shoes are completely worn out. His path is also well worn. That's enough for wear. Here's your sentence to practice. She wears a smile to hide the pain. She wore courage when fear was near, and her worn eyes still shine with unbroken light. Don't throw away your confidence. It will be richly rewarded. Throw, through, thrown.
Hi, Tom. Did you hear about John yesterday?
No, I didn't. What happened to him?
He threw his chance away at the interview.
Really? Why?
He was too nervous, so he kept giving confused answers.
I saw that he threw all his effort into preparing a whole week.
But he didn't throw away his doubts, so it was wasted.
Doubt held him back?
That's true. It feels like he's been thrown around by life too often.
Poor guy. Being thrown into such pressure can break anyone.
Yes, talking about him makes me wonder.
Oh, wonder about what?
About how we handle the things life keeps throwing at us.
Yeah, sometimes I feel thrown into battles I never chose.
At that time, to throw away hope is the worst choice.
True. I once threw away my confidence, and it almost messed me up.
Right, life throwing you down doesn't mean you're done.
Exactly. Get back up, even when the world throws problems at you.
Right, but don't throw your heart into things that aren't real.
I see.
That only leaves you tired.
So, should we throw our energy into what matters?
Yes, when life throws storms, at least we must stand firm.
Practice. Let's review the forms of throw in this video. Throw, base form. He didn't throw away his doubts. Don't throw your heart into things that aren't real. Should we throw our energy into what matters? Throws, third person singular. Get back up, even when the world throws problems at you. When life throws storms, at least we must stand firm. Threw, past simple form. He threw his chance away at the interview. I saw that he threw all his effort into preparing. I once threw away my confidence. Thrown, past participle. It feels like he's been thrown around by life. Throwing, gerund. How we handle the things life keeps throwing at us. Life throwing you down doesn't mean you're done. Be thrown, passive. It feels like he's been thrown around by life. Thrown, reduced passive. I feel thrown into battles I never chose. Being thrown, passive gerund. Being thrown into such pressure can break anyone. To throw, to infinitive. At that moment, to throw away hope is the worst choice. Well done! That's enough for throw. Here's your sentence to practice. Don't throw your hope away. Don't throw your heart to blindness, and never throw your dreams into illusions. Don't draw trouble to yourself by speaking without thinking. Draw, drew, drawn.
Hi, Tom. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hi, Anna. I'm doing well, thanks. And you?
I'm good too. By the way, did you hear about David's company?
David, our friend. What happened?
Yes, he took a big risk with his business.
Oh no, how bad was it?
It almost drew him into bankruptcy.
Oh, I heard he drew a lot of attention last year.
Really? When was that?
When his new app drew a lot of profit.
But later, he drew criticism because the app had security problems.
So, he's having a hard time now?
Yes, he is, but I think he is drawing a valuable lesson from it.
True, wisdom is often drawn from failure, not only from success.
Now, he is drawing on his experience every day and fixing his mistakes.
Right. To go on, he must draw strength from patience, not just money.
Sometimes he still feels drawn back to the same ambition.
I see. It's hard to resist old habits, isn't it?
Luckily, after he once drew the wrong conclusion, he now checks carefully.
That's good. At least, he's learned to be more cautious.
His drawn face shows the pressure, but also his courage.
Life keeps drawing lines on him, but he decides what they mean.
Finally, his decision has drawn him closer to reality.
Yes, I hope. They have drawn a clearer path for his future. Practice. Let's review the forms of draw in this video. Draw, base form. He must draw strength from patience. Be drawing, continuous form. I think he's drawing a valuable lesson from it. Now, he is drawing on his experience every day. Drew, past simple form. I heard he drew a lot of attention last year, when his new app drew a lot of profit. After he once drew the wrong conclusion, but later he drew criticism. Have drawn, perfect form. His decision has drawn him closer to reality. I hope they have drawn a clearer path for his future. Be drawn, passive form. Wisdom is often drawn from failure. Drawn, participial adjective. He still feels drawn back to the same ambition. His drawn face shows the pressure. Drawing, gerund form. Life keeps drawing lines on him. Well done. That's enough for draw. What do you know about this sentence? Strength is drawn from patience. Weakness is drawn from haste. And wisdom is drawn from experience.